morning guys, today we're at Cradle Moon. We're doing a hike here. I wouldn't actually call it a hike, but this is the last one for the year. It's about 8 kilometers and this is one of those where I said it's actually like a walk, so you can bring the whole family for this one. Enjoy. So guys, just to recap this hike, absolutely stunning. So many animals you can see. It's really a proper exercise if you want to do this on a weekend. Also, you've got the beautiful waterfall, so I'll definitely recommend this hike. It's moderate, I would say, because just of the distance, nothing to do with the actual hike. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Stay tuned for the next video.